Relocating employees should feel less like a logistical headache and more like a thoughtfully planned stay, one we'd happily choose for ourselves. That's why we design convenient, tailored service packages to make every stay smoother. Because, let's face it, after a long day of work in a new city, the last thing anyone wants is to wonder, wait, is laundry included? At Exclusive Worldwide, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Some clients prefer just the essentials, while others enjoy an all-inclusive experience. That's why we offer flexible packages, including basic services, cleaning, fresh linens, essentials, upgraded options, concierge services, additional housekeeping, premium extras, fully customized services. Because why not make relocation feel like a 5-star experience? Every client is unique, and we respect that. Need additional services? Simply add them. Prefer less frequent cleaning? Remove it. You pay only for what you genuinely use. We don't sneak in hidden costs. If something is extra, you'll know about it upfront. No surprises, no last-minute add-ons, and absolutely no fine print. We understand that a relocation package should enhance your routine, not disrupt it. That's why our cleaning schedules adapt fully to guests and their families. Some people appreciate a spotless home every day, while others prefer a more relaxed schedule. Whatever your preference, we make it happen. While cleaning is usually included in the final price, flexibility is key. If a client wants something different, we adjust accordingly. So, whether you're after VIP treatment or prefer just the basics, Exclusive Worldwide ensures your relocation package feels less like temporary housing and more like a home away from home. Remember, your employees can always visit the Guests section of our website. There they'll find clear, concise answers to common questions, along with 24/7 contact details for our dedicated service team. Let's create the perfect relocation package for you, without the guesswork.